Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's see the weather outside. Are you seeing it? It is raining. Cats and dogs. And sunshine, a blue sky, and a dark sky. I don't know what it's raining. It's raining. And today's Friday and I'm home. I stayed home because I have a lot to do. I wanted to go to Kingston. Let's open the blinds so you guys can see. I wanted to go to Kingston today to go collect my Eco. I bought an Eco Dot, Alexa. It's raining, man. You guys can't even see that it's raining, but the window is. Don't want to break the blinds. It's raining. Wanted to head to Kingston. Wanted to go to Otrias to get some stuff to decorate the guest bedroom dresser. I did a DIY on it, but yeah, and you can see the sun over there, so peeking out. Let me see if you can see the sun. See, look at blue sky I'm telling about. See there? Hopefully it will stop raining soon. But yeah, guys, Vlogmas day 9. If you're new, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna go back into bed for a few minutes though. Definitely. What's going on here? Ooh, alright guys.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. Christmas is a magic day.
Hi guys. I'm in advance. I saw this is nice. I'm thinking about putting this in the guest bedroom. But I said it's so single. It came like a set of 3. But I must sell it single. This a piece I own up $3,900. I really love it, but price is not giving right now. I don't know. I'm currently in the process of cleaning the guest bedroom. I left to come to meet somebody, a customer who wants to order something online. And then they come to advance to buy something for in the kitchen. Mom, I love this. But it's like the $3,900 I give. I don't know. Guys, I'm in Azal watching football. Brazil gone home. That's so nice. That's so nice. I love that. Watch it, watch it. Oh yeah. Yes. That's yeah. Guys, I am back home on the road. I purchased a chicken foot and cow skin soup. I can make one piece of cow skin and put in it. I eat it one piece. I'm gonna no more. And the cow skin tastes so good. $500 soup this size. Yep. I'm hungry, so I'm gonna sleep on this right now. Yeah. Guys, listen. You hear that? The place silence. What me say? The place silence. Because guess what? Brazil gone to them yard. Me said me didn't want to pick up my camera and record when I was in Linstead. Sorry, going to the market. When the first goal scored, it was Brazil. Me say all the people them around left them cat. Me saw a lady that video. Me say me don't cut my phone and me say you know. I don't want to cut my phone because I don't want nobody come bust me. Because be excited when I think of somebody get shot or something, you know. One man 9 foot Brazil clothes, rule of these things by myself. Brazil to the world. Be excitement on the street, you know. Me say, I was like, really? But in my head, there's somebody can go for the bad sitting there, bro. Anyhow, while walking down now, going down to Azan's side, still being nice. On the road, one man there full Brazil's clothes, and I tell one other one say only somebody might get something to drink, and people support Brazil or whatever. To my nice surprise, and God answer my prayers. If you're a Brazil fan and you're coming at me, come all you want because I'm too high. Some man are bandwagonist. I don't know nothing about the side and the jump and it kind of feel like I'm the best and the biggest side and nothing can beat Brazil. In the Azans now, and when me look, TV I play it. So me go saw me look and me say, one, Brazil still there one, Croatia there not. Croatia is not my side, I'm my mother's side. Yeah. So it's still there one. But I go upstairs in the Azans and come back. When me look, what me say? One, my face light up bright. Me say yes. This is how the game should look. That's it. Me don't shop in the Azans ready to go cash out. The game read penalty, kick out. Whoa, yeah. Me only hear one man say if he miss that, you know, Brazil go home. When me realize now, Croatia go kick one, then Brazil go kick one, then Croatia go kick one, then Brazil go kick the one where miss. TV lock off. And lock off the TV. Everybody when did they talk about Brazil? Silent, no noise, no excitement. Everything just shut down. By the time I cash out and going back up the road, all the who did that, all the man, when they talk about, you know, give nobody nothing for drink, and I say Brazil and blah blah. I touch him and I say, but me I go down the road. You didn't be nice, so I want me now. Boy, baby, me said lose a figure. Yeah. Oh, the Brazil, so I'm glad to say Croatia cut them down to size. Brazil supporters. Me not wrong with this side, it's just not my side. It's not that me hate this side. But you know, go on like, especially Jamaicans, go on like, I come like a half or more than half of Jamaica. Support Brazil, yeah. Croatia cut me down to size. It's sweet, me. Why? Too funny. Anyways, I come to show you the old crowd to them buy. That is because they come like they set me to buy. Come like they put buy in my name and done money in the initials. Look about this. Well, I saw this. You guys remember the last vlog from you guys remember the last Black Friday vlog when I was showing you guys this? I really wanted this, and every day I sing on it, and it's just like without it my kitchen would not have been complete. So I got this and it was 15% off. So I don't know if I'm gonna put it above the stove or may I put it above the blinds. I love it. I got this in advance. I got this in advance as well. This clock. Got this clock in advance. I purchased one Black Friday, but I need one for the kitchen too, so I need one for my bedroom. So I went ahead and purchased one more. Alright. So I'm gonna let it boil up. And it's out there. So there. I bought a cutting board because the one that I have, it is not. It says $850. The one I have is just out of it now. It needs to go. So, and it's all about fixing up my place for the holiday. I just want the place just to look. Yeah. And on that thing to my place look. But as a Brittany would I say, Tash, I want your place done, you can never, you not think it done, because I want your bed full of puller, you still like buy more puller. Yeah, can't done. Oh, do you not say the same thing too? So I bought this, but I really need a new cutting board for sure. Oh god. What did I purchase? Come on, buy something in the van. Let's set me to buy the carrots. I'm gonna buy tomato too. Carrots. And I bought some tomatoes. Oh, I'm still gonna buy more things. I went ahead and bought this white mat, but I don't use it for a mat. I use it for cover anything I want to cover. So this was $1,400 and something. Let's set me to buy. That me say. Don't me look all gibbling. $1,450. And I bought another fake plant. That was $850. And I bought some hooks. I want to show you these hooks. I want to buy this. Remember me, I said the table should have like a salt and pepper something. I'm gonna advance go see it and buy it too. I'm gonna advance go see it and buy it too. I'm probably not gonna use them, just probably put it on the for decoration. God help God help me. Don't know want to me in my pocket spending. Like me can't save my money. I got this. I already had some and I kind of used them in places I did not plan to use them, so I went and purchased one more. I'm storing instead. I also saw a subscriber, but me soon talk about that. And these hooks, guys, these hooks, if you're living in an apartment and you don't want to destroy the walls or anything, these are the best hooks to use. I use them to hang everything, every single thing, from mirrors to frames to clocks to anything, wall art, anything. Them up here, yeah. I saw a subscriber in the store that I went to purchase this thing in, and I did not get her name because when she was saying, she passed and she said Dominique, she said Miss Dominique, I said Dominique, and I was like hello. But these days when people call to me, you know, because it's not the first message up there, when people call to me, I'm not question it, what them know me from, because I know I'm on YouTube and my channel I grow. Even though I want to watch more, like the amount of views I get is not adding up to the amount of subscribers I have, but I'm still grateful. So when I was leaving, I went ahead and I said hello again, because I said let her know that because I was on the phone I was not able to really communicate with her. And that's just me. If you see me on the road and you call to me, I got thank you for the support, and I really appreciate it. So big up yourself. I did not get your name, but big up yourself, and thank you for watching. And yeah, I love that. I love when this I love someone knows that people are watching, knows that people know me and just say hello and all of them things there. So that's basically it. I'm not going to show no cleaning. I don't know I'm going to show them, but I have nothing else to show them. I don't want to make the video too repetitive. I'll be a cleaning and be a this and be a that, just the same old things. Yeah. So hopefully I am going to start doing some other things, but I have to do and clean the house, and also does cleaning. So just bear with me, people. And that's it for this video. So take care. Vlogmas day today was 9. Big up on yourselves. Later. What to do?